Guys, this is not a prank. Yes, auditing exam has been postponed to a future date. When you had your reading time of FMSM, I also had the reading time of the notification. Few minutes before 2 p.m., ICA released a notification saying that auditing exam has been postponed. In this video, we'll see the why as to why it has been postponed and to when the exam has been postponed to. Now, why has the auditing exam been postponed? ICA in its notification did not give an official clarification as to why it has been postponed. But based on my experience, I will tell you, in the May 2013 CA inter examination, Paper 6 was audit and paper 7 was ITSM. Paper 6 exam, when we wrote that, my exam center was ICA Nungambakam in itself. Once I wrote the exam and I came out, in the notice board it was written that paper 7 exam has been postponed to 10 days. 10 days they has postponed it. And later we found out that they had postponed because a wrong question paper was given in the exam hall in some other center. Now this time also I am presuming something like that would have happened, where in some state, in some city, in some center, they would have given the auditing paper to the student when the student was expecting an FMSM paper. And that is the reason as to why it has been postponed is my presumption, guys. Now, based on this presumption, if this is the reason, the set of the question paper is going to change. That means what question paper you're supposed to get, you will not be getting. You will be getting a different auditing question paper. Now, to when it will be postponed, I told you last time it got postponed to 10 days. This happened 10 plus years back. So this time we can expect about 4 to 5 days easily. 4 to 5 days the auditing exam can be postponed based on my presumption I am telling, guys. When will they announce the date? They have to inform, correct? They have to inform and check with all the exam centers whether the date is okay. We can expect another notification from ICA either tonight itself or by tomorrow. They will be telling the dates. What should I do, ma'am? In this time, in this meanwhile time, what should I actually do? First, today, what you are planning to do? If I tell you, please go and watch the expected question marathon, are you going to watch it? Nee papiya? Yanakku theriyum. I also know, you also know what you are going to do. Take a conscious decision that today it is okay. It is okay to take that break to get energized. Conscious breaks are always fine. Come back tomorrow morning and start studying properly, guys. So that is what I want to tell you through this video. And however you are feeling, you put it down in the comment, whether you're feeling sad, whether you're feeling happy. Ma'am, if the exam was that, I would have scored 60 plus in auditing. Now unnecessary break for me. Are you feeling that way? Or are you feeling like appada, now I'm having more time to study auditing? Are you feeling that way? Because we have to be for each other during these uncertain times. Anxiousness will increase for many students, I understand. That is the reason. Put down in the comments so that when you read other people's comments also, you feel like, okay, we are all feeling the same way, and there'll be some kind of sense of belongingness at this time, and that is very, very important, guys. All the very best.